Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A78 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove search button from home screen in your phone Oppo A78 5G. This is home screen. You are seeing a search button here. Okay, if you click on it, you can do global search here. Okay, suppose if you would like to remove this search button from home screen, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to home screen and lock screen, and here select show search in the lower part of the home screen. It is turned on as of now. If you turn off this button, that search button will be removed from home screen. See here, that search button is not available here. So in this way you can easily remove search button from home screen in your phone Oppo A78 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.